You know that moment when your music sounds fine but you secretly wish it sounded like a live concert inside your pocket? Yeah, same. So I went hunting for a tiny audio upgrade and I found a HiBy W4. Stick around because this little gadget surprised me more than my playlist shuffle hitting all bangers. If you're searching for a portable Bluetooth DAC amp to boost your headphone sound without carrying a brick, I tested the HiBy W4 to see if it's actually worth using or just another tech toy collecting dust. First thing, this thing is tiny, like toss it in your pocket tiny. It even supports a magnetic backplate setup so it can snap onto your phone with MagSafe accessories. Translation, fewer cables dangling like spaghetti from your pocket. Practical, yes. Stylish, also yes. Inside the W4 runs a dual CS43198 DAC setup, which is a legit audiophile upgrade chip combo often found in higher end gear. It supports LDAC, aptX adaptive, aptX lossless, and high-res playback up to PCM 768 KHZ and DSD512, basically meaning it can handle extremely high quality audio files without choking. In real use, music sounded cleaner, vocals sharper, and bass tighter compared to straight Bluetooth from my phone. Not magic, but definitely noticeable, especially with good headphones or IEMs. Bluetooth 5.4 keeps the connection stable, and the 1500 mAh battery lasted me through long listening sessions without panic charging every few hours. Bonus, it can run in USB mode without draining itself, which is super handy for desktop use. Here's the honest truth, if you use cheap earbuds and Spotify on low quality, you probably won't care. But if you've got decent headphones, lossless music, or just love hearing details in your tracks, the W4 actually makes sense. It's not for flexing, it's for people who actually listen. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.